Hi friends, good morning. Okay, today let us do some more problems in the theory of equations. The first of which is the transformed equation. By removing the second term of the polynomial x cube minus 3x square plus 12x plus 16 is equal to 0. So the transformed equation by removing the second term. So here the sum of the roots of this polynomial is, what is the sum of the roots? Sum of the roots we know minus b by a, right friends? Sum of the roots minus b by a. Sum of the roots is equal to minus b by a. Minus of minus 3. Minus of minus 3. 3 by 1 means 3. Sum of the roots is 3. See friends, here the question is, we have to remove the second term. And thus you have to get one transformed equation where there is no second term, that is where there is no x square term. So now we are going to remove the x square term. So, and the polynomial so formed after removing the second term, the polynomial so formed is called the transformed equation of this polynomial. How to remove that second term? How to remove that second term from this polynomial? How to get the transformed equation? Here friends, sum of the roots is 3. Sum of the roots is 3. Here, this is a cubic polynomial. So, it will have 3 roots. So, sum of the roots is 3. So, now, if each root is diminished by 1, then sum of the roots becomes 0. Right friends? Here sum of the roots is 3. We don't want this term. If we remove this term, then sum of the roots becomes 0. So now at present the sum of the roots is 3. So let us diminish each of the roots by 1. Then 3 minus 3 becomes 0. So the second term will be eliminated. So for this question, how we have to proceed? First you find the sum of the roots. Sum of the roots is 3 by n. What is n? Nth order. This is nth order polynomial. That is third degree polynomial. N is degree of the polynomial. Here third degree polynomial 3 by 3, that is equal to 1. So you have to diminish each of the roots by 1. Then you will get the required transformed equation. Okay friends, now let us, that is known to us. Yesterday we have did 2-3 problems on this. Okay friends, now let us diminish each root by 1. 1 minus 3, 12, 16. So if each root is to be diminished by 1, then we have to do with 1. 1 into 1, 1 minus 2, 1 into minus 2, minus 2 plus 10, 1 into 10, 10, 26, 26. Then again 1, 1 into 1, 1 minus 1, 1 into minus 1, minus 1, so 9. Now the same process, 1 into 1, 1, this becomes 0. Now what is the transformed equation, friends? Now what is the transformed equation? X cube. Now x square term is 0. X cube plus 9x plus 26. X cube plus 9x plus 26 is equal to 0 is the transformed equation. This is the, in this equation we don't have x square term. We removed the x square term. Okay friends, this is how to remove the second term. First you find the sum of the roots. Sum of the roots here is 3. Sum of the roots is 3. Divide the sum of the roots by order of the polynomial. This is third degree polynomial. So divide by 3. You get 1. So you have to diminish the roots. By 1. That is your answer. Okay friends, let us do next problem. Remove the second term of the equation x power 4 minus 8x cube plus x square minus x plus 3. X power 4 minus 8x cube plus x square minus x plus 3 is equal to 0. This is the given polynomial. We have to remove the second term. First sum of the roots. How much friends? Minus of b by a. Minus of minus 8 plus 8 by degree of the polynomial. This is fourth degree polynomial. This is equal to 2. So now we have to diminish each root by 2. At present the sum of the roots is 8. If we diminish each root by 2, then 4 into minus 2 minus 8. 8 minus 8 becomes 0. Now the second term will disappear. Okay friends, 1 minus 8, 1 minus 1, 3. We have to diminish each root by 2. Diminish means we have to do plus. If the sum of, say suppose friends, if the sum of the roots is minus 8. Say if the sum of the roots is minus 8 by 4 means we get minus 2. So each root each root is increased by 2. So we have to do with then we have to do with minus 2. So here we have to do with plus 2. 1, 2 into 1, 2, minus 6, minus 12, minus 11, 2 into minus 11, minus 22, minus 23, 2 into minus 23, minus 46, so minus 43 here. Again with the 2, 1, 2 into 1, 2, minus 4, 2 into minus 4, minus 8, minus 19, 2 into minus 19, minus 38, minus 61. Again 1, 2 into 1, 2, minus 2, 2 into minus 2, minus 4, minus 23. Again with 2, 2 into 1, 2, this becomes 0. Now the transformed equation, friends, x power 4, x cube term is not there, minus 23x square, minus 61x, minus 43. So the transformed equation is x power 4 minus 23x square, x cube term is not there, we have removed the second term, minus 61x minus 43 is equal to 0. This is the required transformed equation. So we have removed the second term. Okay friends, let us see next problem. Sum of the roots by degree of the polynomial. So you have to do with that. Okay friends. Now let us do the next problem. Alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of x cube minus 9x square plus 26x minus 24 is equal to 0. Find the value of alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of this cubic equation. We have to find sigma alpha plus 3 into beta plus 3. Okay friends. So now here each root is increased by 3. So now we have to do with minus 3. To get the transformed equation. Then we can find this one, sigma alpha plus 3 into beta plus 3. That is alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma delta. That we can find C by A. By doing C by A, we can find that. So first what we have to do, friends? We want the transformed equation whose roots are increased by 3. Alpha, beta, gamma are roots of this polynomial. We want the polynomial whose roots are alpha plus 3 and beta plus 3. So we have to do with minus 3. We have to do with minus 3. Then we get the transformed equation. Okay friends. So we have to do with minus 3. Here the coefficients are 1, minus 9, 26, minus 24. 1 minus 3 into 1 minus 3 minus 12 plus 36 62 minus 3 into 62 3 2 6 3 6s 8 3 6s 18 3 2 6. So minus 210 minus 210. Then again with minus 3 1 minus 3 into 1 minus 3 minus 15 minus 15 minus 3 into minus 15 plus 45 107. Next 1 minus 3 into 1 minus 3 minus 18. So here the required equation, that is transformed equation, is x cube minus 18x square plus 107x minus 210. Right friends? So here we can find anything. This is the equation whose roots are alpha plus 3, beta plus 3 and gamma plus 3. Right friends? This is the equation whose roots are alpha plus 3, beta plus 3 and gamma plus 3. Here what is the question? Sigma alpha plus 3 into beta plus 3. That is alpha plus 3 into beta plus 3 plus beta plus 3 into gamma plus 3 plus gamma plus 3 into alpha plus 3. That is C by A. That is C by A. So alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus B by A. Alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus B by A. Now we want alpha plus 3 into beta plus 3 plus beta plus 3 into gamma plus 3 plus gamma plus 3 into alpha plus 3. That is equal to C by A 107 by 1. That is equal to 107 is your answer friends. 107 is your answer friends. You can find this thing also. If the question is what is the product of the roots? What is alpha plus 3 into beta plus 3 into gamma plus 3? What is alpha plus 3 into gamma plus 3, beta plus 3 into gamma plus 3? That is product of the roots. Product of the roots minus B by A, C by A, minus D by A. Minus of minus 210, 210. I am writing that also just for your information. Alpha plus 3, if the question is to find alpha plus 3 into beta plus 3 into gamma plus 3, you have to understand like this. Alpha plus 3 into beta plus 3 into gamma plus 3 means product of the roots. Product of the roots, this is minus D by A. That is minus of minus 210 plus 210 plus 210 will be your answer. Of course, our question is this. 107 is your answer. 107 is your answer. Okay, friends. Friends, next problem is the roots of x cube minus 21x square plus 126x minus 216 is equal to 0 or in which progression? Arithmetic progression, geometric or harmonic, ADB, GP or HP. Okay friends, here look at this, x cube minus 216 plus minus 21x square plus 126x is equal to 0. Right friends? This is 216 means 6 cube friends. X cube minus 6 cube minus 21x into x minus 6 is equal to 0. A cube minus b cube, a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square minus 21x into x minus 6 is equal to 0. X minus 6 into x square plus 6x plus 36 minus 21x is equal to 0. It implies x minus 6 into x square minus 15x plus 36 is equal to 0. X minus 6 into, so roots of this equation, 12 threes are 12 threes. So x minus 3 into x minus 12 is equal to 0. So the roots of this polynomial 3, 6, 12. 3, 6, 12. 3, 6, 12. These are clearly in GP. So ratio is equal 6 by 3 to 12 by 6 2. So the ratio of the roots are 2. So the roots of this cubic equation are in GP. Okay friends. Okay, have a nice day. Let us do some more problems. Let us do the next chapter in our next session. Okay, have a nice day friends.